Welcome pros, this is Walid Al Sayed. Got a quick video today to address the question of how do we get a quick transaction. Many agents are wondering what's the shortest path to money. That is a very valid question. If we don't get you into production sooner rather than later, you get out of the business. This is a very unforgiving business, and if we don't get paid, we won't last. So I'm logging in, and I'm going to show you how to use our KW Connect feature. So I've logged in here to my KW, go under the home, KW Connect. Now, if you know what LinkedIn is, the easiest way I can describe this is that it's a LinkedIn feature for our company. I'm going to click on My Referrals over here. And this here allows you want to click here on Grow My Network. This shows you all of the people in your network. So I have 167 people in my network. Florida, Hawaii, New Brunswick, Fredericton. And it goes on. There are more. I click on View All here, and you get many. So this is very good to accept referrals as well as send out referrals. So for those of us starting, you won't have anyone here. You go to click on Grow My Network. And the beauty here, I'm going to switch this over here to Market Center. These are all the market centers in Canada and the US. So you can zoom in. And if I have a referral that's going out to Ottawa, for example, I can look at the market centers in Ottawa. There are 3 of them. So let's say I have here, I'm interested in the Gatineau region. I can see the folks that are based out of this market center. I can see their production, how many listings, how many buyers, how many sellers. Look at this. Everything is transparent in our company. And I can add them to my referral network. I can invite them. Let me go and do an example. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's say I have a referral that I want to send and that is going to Hamilton. And maybe I don't want to go to Hamilton and make the drive. So I can zoom in and I can either add people in the Hamilton Market Center, so here's the Hamilton Market Center. I can click on it. There are 164 agents, and once again I can see the number of transactions they've performed in the last 12 months, the number of listings, and the number of buyers. I can also sort this by production. So these are where all the transactions have happened. So this could be even you can show up here. Or even I, where I've done transactions, although my market center is not necessarily here. Let me zoom in a little bit further, a little bit closer. What I'm looking to do is to make sure this number is less than 176. Notice it's red now. If I zoom out a little bit, the number is more than 234. It becomes unclickable. And let's say I have a referral that I want to send a buyer to an agent over here in Hamilton. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to make sure the number is less than 200. I can click on Broadcast Referral, and I can anonymously fill in information. Oh, I have a buyer. I'm willing to pay a 25 or a 35% referral fee. The average, by the way, on our platform is a 35% referral fee, whereas the industry standard is 25%. So that means we pay well in our company. I can make an acceptance deadline. I want people to accept within 24 hours or 27 hours. I put in the price range, 500,000 to 550. First name, put the name in here. You put the location, Hamilton. You put the client name, email and phone number, transaction time frame, 3 months, pre-approved or not, and I can write a message. And then I can send that referral. You may not see it here. I can send that referral by clicking this button. I'm not going to do that now. Please follow this. It is one of the shortest paths for making an income, and it is an underutilized feature in our business. So that's how you grow your KW Connect referral network. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe, and please check the description for more details, more step-by-step instructions. Hope you found this useful. This is Walid Al Sayed signing off and reminding us all to have a productive day.